Morning, good afternoon, good early evening, good late evening, good night to all, ladies and gents. Passport Brothers, it's me, Mike, aka the Chocolate Brother Man here. Put the Princessa, check out the mega bats, the mega fox bats. Check them out. Check them out. Check them out. This is what the Philippines, ladies and gents. This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. Nothing like it. A lot of mosquitoes out here, but this is nature. This is what it's all about right here. Mega fox bats, huge, huge, huge. Huge. So there you have it, ladies and gents. Me, Mike, aka the Chocolate Brother Man. Just wanted to show you, hey, there's more to the Philippines than sitting up in the mall, sitting up in the city. Come enjoy this beautiful ecosystem. Peace out, and I'm about to continue to walk. Stay prosperous always. Yep. Our tour guides. Yep. Check all those fox bats out. You never know what you're gonna see. You never know. Out here in nature. That's what it's all about for me, ladies and gents. It's no better than this. When you're out in the province, this is what you see. Like I said, I ain't gonna do much talking. I just want you to enjoy my videos, my vlogs. That's what it's all about. Becoming one with nature. God's creation. Just walking back out to the main road. Soaking a little bit of alcohol. Let me get back to my condo. But yeah, this is what it's all about.
First real wildlife encounter.
Yeah, yeah. You're making it so simple. But that tells me you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Unlike some of the other places. Yeah. So ladies and gents, you know, if you ever want to do a, you know, wildlife expedition or marine tour, you know, you got to find the right guy, the right guide. There's more big fruit bats, as you can see there. Unbelievable. But yeah, but you definitely got to find the right guide, wildlife guide. Whether you're into marine life, wildlife, whatever type of, you know, amphibians, reptiles, whatever you're into. Just make sure you find the right guy, because last thing you want to do is get taken advantage of and just have somebody who just wants to make money. You know, because everybody don't have the expertise, and the knowledge, and the experience. And that's what the Philippines has to offer, man. They have a very diverse ecosystem here. It's nothing like it. So once again, ladies and gents, Passport Brothers, I'm out. Appreciate you for tuning in to the vlog, the video. Stay tuned for the next episode. Like I said, this is what the Philippines is all about. If you ever have any comments or questions, please leave it in the comments section. I just mainly make videos so you to watch, let your imagination take you where it wants to take you. I'm gonna start doing less talking. Just want you to enjoy the videos and vlogs. So peace out. Stay prosperous always. Peace.